Hi, my name is Shramana, and today I'm going to take you through the UX design process of a vocabulary learning app called Teachable. First thing I want to show you is the three popular vocabulary learning app Duolingo, Memories, and Bushu that I chose for my competitive analysis. The competitive analysis helped me evaluate the weaknesses and strengths of these amazing apps and make better informed decisions. Next, I want to introduce you to Olivia. She is a 36-year-old associate game producer who is originally from Singapore and now lives in Montreal, Canada. She has a very busy lifestyle, and since she now lives in a predominantly French speaking region of Canada, it's very important for her to learn a new language. She wants to be fluent in French so that she can communicate with her teammates and integrate in the society better. Olivia feels that she is trying to develop a learning habit and practice more, but it's sometimes difficult to find people to practice with. Now let's look at the problem statement. Olivia needs a way to learn a new language and improve her vocabulary to do well at her work as well as improve her social interactions. Olivia has busy work life and learning language in a tight schedule is proving to be very challenging. Olivia finds speaking and understanding French problematic. We believe that by creating a vocabulary app for Olivia that is fun, encouraging, visually pleasing, goal oriented, offers opportunity to practice pronunciation, and has an audio learning feature, we will help her achieve her goals. After going through Olivia's goals, motivations, and difficulties, the next step is to sketch out few wireframes. Let's start with the onboarding process and the first key task, which is choosing and saving her study plan. Once she has opened the app, she is greeted with the splash screen and then the welcome screen, which informs her about the app and its benefits. Next comes the sign up and login screen. Here she can choose to sign up, log in, or continue without creating an account. Next comes the language selection page, followed by the setting and saving the study plan pages. Then comes the adding new flashcard part. Olivia can choose the My Cards option from the home screen page and proceed to the next page where she can select Add New Cards button. She can add the word, write the definition and an example sentence and save the card, which will be added to My Cards list. Let's look at the second key task, which is practicing speaking. This comes under the social category. Here, Olivia selects the Practice Speaking with Others button and then select her skill level and the challenges she is facing. Once she submits her requirements, the app looks for a match who can help Olivia with her French pronunciation. Next, she can record herself, add notes if necessary, and send it to receive feedback. Now we look at the user flow of the task 1, which is to launch the app, log in, select the language you want to learn, customize and save the study plan, and go to the home screen. Next, we look at the user flow of task 2, recording and sending a message to another user who can correct and give feedback on her French pronunciation. Once the wireframing was done and I felt confident about the user being able to navigate around the app, I moved on to usability testing. I recruited 3 participants to test 4 key tasks. First, onboarding and selecting the language they want to learn. Second, customize their study goals. Third, create a flashcard and add it to the deck. Fourth, record their practice and send it to another user for feedback. After conducting the usability test, we come to the usability test results. The first task proved to be pretty simple and intuitive for all the 3 participants. The second task met with mixed reviews. Not all participants liked the idea of customizing study plan before trying out the app first. Also, they wanted the option of going ahead with the default goal settings. The third task caused some grief for the participants since they had trouble finding their way to the home screen at the end of the task. The fourth task was easily completed, but the participants wanted to know more about the person who is giving them feedback. Next, I addressed the issues that the participants had and improved the prototype. Now I have the revised prototype ready for more usability testing. My personal experience of going through this UX design process was a positive one. I feel I need a lot more user testing and improve the quality of the usability testing. I feel asking questions and getting feedback is a difficult process that requires a lot of practice.